What if I told you that attractiveness isn't just about looks? Science proves that the way you act, speak, and carry yourself can instantly make you more attractive. Most people never learn these secrets, but today, you will. Here are 7 psychological tricks to boost your attractiveness instantly, without changing anything about your appearance. Let's go. Most people think attraction is all about looks, but that's only part of the equation. In reality, how you make people feel plays a way bigger role. Think about it. Ever met someone who wasn't traditionally attractive but had a magnetic presence? That's because they understand the psychology of attraction. Ever had someone hold eye contact with you for just a second longer than usual? It feels powerful, right? That's because eye contact triggers connection. But here's the trick. Don't stare like a robot. Instead, use the triangle technique. Shift your gaze between their eyes and mouth naturally. Too much, creepy. Just enough equals magnetic. Research shows that when 2 people hold eye contact for more than 3 seconds, it boosts attraction and trust. This is because eye contact releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. It's literally wired into our brains to associate eye contact with connection. Here's something powerful. Confident people don't rush to fill silence. Think about it. Who seems more attractive? The person who nervously over-explains, or the one who pauses, smiles, and speaks with calm certainty? Silence shows confidence. Learn to use it. Ever noticed how close friends talk, move, and act alike? This is called mirroring, and it's a powerful way to create instant attraction. When done subtly, mirroring makes the other person feel like you get them. Here's how to do it without being weird. If they lean forward, you lean forward slightly. If they use hand gestures, use similar but subtle movements. Match their tone and energy level. This creates a subconscious sense of we're the same, and that builds attraction fast. Here's a weird truth. People value what they can't have. Ever notice how we chase the things that feel just out of reach? This is called the scarcity effect, and it's a huge factor in attraction. Scarcity isn't about being unavailable. It's about having a life so interesting that people want to be part of it. Instead of waiting for someone to text, focus on your hobbies, goals, and personal growth. The more fulfilled you are, the more attractive you become. You'll want to look more confident and mysterious instantly? Here's a trick used by models and actors. The slow blink. Instead of wide, fast blinking, slow it down slightly. It signals calm, control, and presence. Our brains associate fast blinking with nervousness, anxiety, or fear. But people with slow, controlled blinks appear more relaxed and self-assured. Try it. You'll instantly look more magnetic. Most people think they need to be perfect to be attractive, but confidence beats perfection every time. People are drawn to those who own their flaws, not those who hide them. Confidence is contagious. When you feel good about yourself, others feel good around you. It's not about being the best. It's about believing you belong. Smiling makes you instantly more attractive, but there's a right way to do it. The trick? Smile after you make eye contact, not before. This makes the smile feel more personal, intentional, and real. A study found that people who smile with their eyes, a real smile, are rated as more attractive and trustworthy. So next time, don't just smile with your mouth. Let it reach your eyes. People are attracted to those who make them feel good. A lighthearted, fun energy draws people in because it makes them feel relaxed and happy. Being too serious can push people away. A little playfulness makes you magnetic. Want to instantly boost connection? Subtle, appropriate touch creates trust and closeness. A light touch on the arm when laughing or a friendly pat on the back triggers positive feelings. The most magnetic people aren't the ones who talk the most. They're the ones who leave you wanting more. Instead of over-explaining, practice saying less and pausing more. People remember how you leave more than anything else. End interactions with a positive, confident remark like, "This was fun, let's do it again." Leave on a high note and people will want to see you again. You don't need to use all 7 tricks at once, just start with one. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And remember, attraction isn't about changing who you are. It's about understanding how people work.